What's up, everybody? How you doing today? This is the Xiaomi 12. This is the new Xiaomi 12. It's the small version of the Xiaomi 12 Pro. I'm shooting with the front camera, video bokeh, and as you can see, the lights here is actually dim. Probably gonna change the lights to see because of the color of my t-shirts here. Let's try white. Oh, this is green. Alright, so it does have a bokeh effect in the video here, and I believe with a good lighting around your face, around your coming in, it's gonna have a good cut out of the hair, because this is the hardest part of the bokeh here. Let's just try to hit some other colors. No, I don't want the red. Let's go back to the blue. Maybe yellow. Yeah. So this effect, guys, is actually. I'm gonna turn that to the back to the blue. Man, this is better. It's more pleasing for me. Anyways, I just received this phone. Okay. I traded it with another phone, but the reason why I'm interested in this phone is, number one, it's the size of it. It's very small, compact, and for me itself, I like smaller phones, and I want to see how it feels actually. Number two, it has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is the fastest processor out there. And number three, the cameras. The cameras are really actually good, to be honest with you. So I just want you to know that this phone is amazing. Actually, I'm starting to liking it, and I'm gonna experience it more and more. Now, this is the front camera, by the way, so I'm gonna try the back camera. I'm gonna add the G cam to it and see how it goes. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. This is just a test on the front camera. Beautiful. See you in another video.